This video will teach you how to use multi-view to 3D in Hi3D. Step 1. In general, select multi-view to 3D. Step 2. Upload multiple views. You can also check out Creative Space for image upload tips. For example, upload 2 to 4 clear photos of the same subject with a simple background. Make sure the subject is centered and unobstructed. Remember, a front view is required. And supported formats are JPG, JPEG, PNG, WEB, with a maximum size of 10 megabytes. Now, let's click to upload them. And you can also select one of these example images to try it out. Step 3. You can choose between V1.5 and V2.0. For V1.5, you can choose from 512, 1024, 1536, or 1536 Pro. For V2.0, the options are 1536 and 1536 Pro. For generate type, you can choose either geometry plus texture or geometry only. Finally, click generate. Just wait a few minutes, and you'll have a 3D model generated from multi-view images. This ensures accurate detail reconstruction from every angle. You can also click white diffuse to preview the model with texture turned off. In addition, you can click albedo or normal for more preview variations. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click here to retry for free. Plus, you can also click for retopology or segmentation with a single click. Best of all, we support exporting to 4 major slicing apps for 3D printing, plus downloading in 5 different formats. This is a tutorial on generating 3D from multiple views.